Hello dear friends, welcome back to our channel Tech Target TV. Today, we'll take a look at the top 15 developing technologies that will affect our lives by 2030. From AI to 3D printed organs, buckle up as we explore the astonishing breakthroughs that await us. Let us dive into the next decade and experience the technological marvels that await us. But don't forget to subscribe to the Tech Target TV channel, since it motivates us. Artificial intelligence. Our first stop takes us into the world of artificial intelligence, where a bizarre forecast emerges. AI will not only be mainstream by 2030, but it will also level the playing field around the world. Organizations will master data cleaning and AI model deployment, potentially leading to organizational commodification. The major question remains: what happens to innovation in a future when everyone uses the same AI models? Prepare to explore uncharted frontiers in the realm of invention. Extended reality. Now let's look into extended reality, which includes virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality. The XR market is expected to exceed $400 billion by 2025, affecting areas such as training, healthcare, design, and entertainment. Join us as we explore an extraordinary reality. Immerse yourself in a universe where the distinction between digital and tactile is elegantly blurred. Artificial brain implants. Artificial brain implants can restore lost memories. By 2030, we may see the reproduction of small brain sections to treat Alzheimer's, strokes, and traumas. These gadgets could replace damaged brain sections, predict and transmit signals, and gradually restore complicated brain functions in the 2030s and 2040s. Consider a future in which memories are not only stored, but reborn. Human chips. In a world when wearables watch our every action, the idea of human chips is not far-fetched. Elon Musk's Neuralink technology and other futurists envision a world in which chips replace external equipment, raising discussions about the hazards and benefits. Regardless matter where you stand, the integration of technology into our daily life appears unavoidable. Prepare yourself for a world in which technology is not only all around us, but also within us. Quantum Internet. Imagine a future in which the first iteration of the quantum internet appears. By 2030, quantum transmissions may replace radio waves, providing unhackable data transfer. The US Department of Energy has developed a plan for a nationwide quantum internet that could revolutionize communication by 2030. Witness a future in which information moves faster, safer, and beyond the limitations of traditional communication. Augmented reality smart glasses. Augmented reality smart glasses, the next generation, iPhone. By 2030, these glasses are expected to dominate the market by combining the virtual and physical worlds. Governments are developing regulations to address privacy issues, emphasizing the importance of interdisciplinary study in properly understanding this new technology. Step into a future in which your perspective is not only enhanced, but transformed. Quantum computers. Quantum computers with 1 million qubits by 2030 represent a major leap. IBM and Google are racing to reach this milestone, which might have applications in artificial intelligence, financial modeling, medical research, weather forecasting, and cybersecurity. By 2035, the public may have access to fully functional quantum computers. Prepare yourself for a quantum jump in computational capacity that will push the limits of what is possible. Zero latency connectivity. Zero latency connectivity is the backbone of future technology. By 2030, lightning-fast internet access will be critical for AI demands. The convergence of 5G, IoT, and enhanced wireless networks is expected to increase global GDP by $1.20 to $2 trillion. The future promises unprecedented economic activity, fueled by speedier digital connectivity. Prepare to experience a world in 2030. 3D-printed human organs. Welcome to the era of bioengineering. 3D-printed human organs. By 2030, we could see living biological systems being built layer by layer. From blood arteries to organs, this technology has the ability to transform the world of medicine, providing hope to individuals who require organ transplants. Step into a future in which life-saving ingenuity is stretched to unprecedented heights. Autonomous, connected, electric, and shared vehicles, or self-driving cars. Self-driving cars and autonomous, connected, electric, and shared vehicles will become the norm by 2030. Beyond Tesla, a new generation of self-driving cars is on its way. The introduction of electric, hybrid, and hydrogen vehicles is approaching, offering more safety and a cleaner environment. Will self-driving technology account for 5–10% of the market by 2030? Stay tuned to discover out. Experience the future by taking a journey that is not just efficient, but also sustainable. SpaceX's crewed Mars mission. SpaceX's dream of space tourism will become a reality by 2025. Crewed Mars trips with the SpaceX Starship are on the horizon, opening up new potential for space exploration and tourism. As technology progresses, spaceflight may become more accessible to the public, influencing the future of human existence beyond Earth. Imagine a world in which the stars are not simply distant lights, but places to be discovered. Climate change mitigation technology. Technology can help us combat climate change. By 2030, the use of mitigation technologies is expected to skyrocket, including renewable energy, drought-resistant crops, early warning systems, sustainable fuels, electric vehicles, carbon removal technology, and sea walls. The struggle against climate change is on, and technology is leading the way. Witness a future in which innovation is the key to ensuring a sustainable Earth. Smart grid technology. Smart grids represent a new era in energy transmission. By 2030, interconnected smart networks will be widespread, allowing for efficient energy flow, renewable energy utilization, and fewer blackouts. Large-scale renewable will become more feasible as smart networks adjust to irregular power supply from solar and wind energy sources. Enter a future in which energy is both smart and sustainable. Advanced robotics. Enter the world of advanced robotics, where AI, machine vision, sensors, motors, and materials meet. By 2030, robots will have redefined product and service delivery, altering industries worldwide. While there are fears about job displacement, the demand for tech expertise to create, operate, and maintain advanced robots is unstoppable. Explore a world in which innovation not only improves industries, but also transforms the workforce. Cloud computing. Our voyage finishes with the pervasiveness of cloud computing. By 2030, it will be difficult to remember a time when the cloud existed. Major firms such as Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, and Google Cloud Platform will continue to dominate the market, altering both enterprises and innovations. Step into a future where data isn't just saved, it's freed for unprecedented creativity. There you have it, a look into the future, the world in 2030. Which emerging technology interests you the most? Please share your ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe Tech Target TV, and activate the notification bell for more futuristic thoughts.